Everyone, I'm making a healing one-pot soup using 2 cups of mung whole beans soaked for a couple of hours and then rinsed very nicely. Then I'm gonna start with 2 of the medium-sized potato, 2 of the medium-sized potato, 2 of the carrots, 2 of the carrots. Jalapeno is optional because you may not like the spiciness of it. And then 1 big chunk of ginger shredded or cut in chopped. Same thing with the garlic. 3-4 big cloves of garlic. Tablespoon of black pepper. And benefits of turmeric is with when you have the black pepper. So 1 whole tablespoon of turmeric because this is a healing food and it's a vegetarian dish. Salt as you desire. Salt as you desire. And then 1 whole tablespoon of olive oil. And in the beginning until it's boiling, do on the high heat, and then later on you can do the medium heat, and 1 whole half a gallon of water because this is a soup. And then later on you can season this soup and cook it. If you have a microwave, if you have a pressure cooker, you can cook it for 10 minutes and it's ready. I am home away from home in Florida, so I'm making in a non-stick pot, and it's gonna take me a whole hour. And any vegetable of your choice, I happen to have all these vegetables. This soup is 1-pot meal. It's delicious. Thank you for watching my video.